They haven't been able to even begin fixing their house, even though they were approved for enough insurance. They finally received an initial check, and then the unthinkable. The check wasn't good. Hurricane Helene flooded the mobile home where Robert Paul lived with his wife off Shell Point Road in Ruskin.
By the time I got some dry clothes in a garbage bag and went to walk out of here, it was over my waist deep, just walking out of here to get up to the main road.
They have flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program administered through FEMA. Robert tells me adjusters came right out to assess the situation, but there was delay after delay. And now the first check of $30,000 arrived in March, but a day after they tried to deposit the check, they received an unnerving phone call from their bank. The check wasn't good, and they were investigating what went wrong, including potential fraud.
Until it's happened, I've never even dreamed that something like this would happen.
Robert says he called FEMA about the bad check, but got the runaround. He says he was told someone would call back and then told they had a new computer system and to be patient. Then he says he was told the system didn't show the check at all. Well, this check stub from FEMA clearly shows there was a check sent, and this paper from the bank shows it did not process. So Robert called Better Call Banking for answers, and I called my sources at FEMA. I was told they would look into this and call the customers right away.
I'm, playing by the rules, crossing my T's, dotting my I's, and I don't understand why they get away with doing something like this. Why are they doing? How are they getting away from this? If I had wrote them a bad check, I'd be having the law after me. So I don't see how they don't have any consequences for doing what they did.
Robert tells me FEMA told him today they are working on this and they will be in touch again on Thursday. I will say on this because this is wrong. This family cannot even start work on their house, and they paid for this policy, and the policy isn't there when they need it.
Well, I know you do have some sources at FEMA. Like, do they have any kind of explanation for this? A computer problem, a glitch, something went sideways?
I was hoping for some sort of explanation, but Jen, I was told that because of privacy concerns, they cannot give me any of the details, but they did promise to reach out directly to the customer. They did reach out, but still no answers. So again, I'm not letting this one go. And if you have received an NFIP check that wasn't good, please let me know, because, as we know, sometimes it's not just one.
You do one story, and then it's like pulling on a thread of a sweater. All right, stay on it. Thank you. Well, if you have a problem that needs solving, Better Call Bankin. The number is 1-855-BANKIN, or you can reach her on Facebook at WFLA Shannon.